Hello, my name is Sven Schneider, and I am a professor of Management Information Systems.
And my name is Anderie. I am also a professor of business and computer science. Together with Sven, I have written the book Digital Business Management.
The book outlines hands-on how to transform into a data-driven organization using AI.
In this video, we explain some of the essentials you need to know about digital business management.
You can watch this video and quickly grasp the essentials you need to know regarding digital business management.
If you are interested in the topic in depth or would like to prepare for an exam, make sure you get a copy of our book, which is available on Amazon, in good bookstores, libraries, and through Springer. Let's start. In the era of digitalization, digital business involves conducting commercial activities online, covering marketing, sales, product innovation, and daily operations. E-commerce drives revenue by enabling the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet, as seen on platforms like Amazon.
Conversely, e-business focuses on cost efficiency and automation to streamline internal processes and communication. E-commerce includes models like business-to-consumer, B2C, business-to-business, B2B, and consumer-to-consumer, C2C, with peer-to-peer exchanges growing in importance.
Digital products, from semi-physical items like cars with navigation systems to purely digital MP3 files, are transforming commerce by offering convenience and updated features. This shift from physical to digital blurs the lines between realms, reshaping consumer behavior and modern commerce.
Physical products are tangible goods, like wood or metal items, with no reliance on digital components, while semi-physical products, such as cars with navigation systems, enhance physical items with digital features. Semi-digital products, like music CDs, are primarily digital but tied to a physical medium, blending digital utility with tangible presence. Pure digital products, such as MP3 files or virtual game items, exist entirely digitally, offering instant accessibility, reproducibility, and permanence without degradation. The shift from physical to digital, as seen with books becoming e-books, introduces challenges like copyright issues but enhances convenience, blurs physical-digital lines, and transforms consumer behavior in modern commerce.
E-commerce is categorized by the virtualization of products, processes, and delivery agents, ranging from fully physical to fully digital. Traditional commerce involves physical products, agents, and processes, like buying jeans in a store with cash, while pure e-commerce involves digital products, virtual processes, and electronic payments, such as downloading an e-book. Most e-commerce transactions are hybrid, blending physical and digital elements. This shift from physical stores to virtual platforms has revolutionized commerce by enabling online browsing, comparisons, and purchases.
Digital business encompasses digital business models, services, products, processes, and technologies, all tied to digital value and enhanced by innovative customer interactions that provide a competitive edge. It goes beyond digitization, converting documents to digital formats, and digitalization, which introduces new processes and content management approaches. Digital business requires a full digital transformation characterized by adaptable, flexible, and innovative structures. Unlike digital activities driven solely by new processes and technologies, digital business involves developing new services, products, business models, and customer engagement strategies, incorporating both e-business and e-commerce.
Digital business encompasses e-business and e-commerce, integrating processes like procurement, supply chain management (SCM), and enterprise resource planning (ERP), with customer relationship management (CRM). E-commerce facilitates transactions through e-marketplaces, connecting suppliers and customers digitally. E-business focuses on internal efficiency, using middleware like Enterprise Application Integration (EAI) to streamline operations. Together, they form an extended digital business ecosystem, bridging suppliers and customers through virtual platforms.
Thanks for watching the video.
Since the video format offers only a limited time frame to cover the fascinating world of digital business management,
Our book provides hands-on guidance on how to transform into a data-driven organization using AI.
if you're interested in exploring the topic in depth or preparing for an exam, make sure to get a copy of our book, available on Amazon, in reputable bookstores, libraries, and through Springer.
Stay tuned for more digital content.